If you want massive forearms, but you're tired of wasting time on exercises that don't work, listen carefully. Forearms aren't built with random exercises. They're built with brutal tension, grip strength, and the right movements. I picked the only exercises that target size, thickness, veins, and strength. Do this for 28 days and your forearms will look completely different.
Hammer wrist curls. Hammer wrist curls are one of the best exercises for building thick and dense forearms because they combine wrist flexion with a neutral grip position, heavily activating the brachioradialis and forearm flexors at the same time. To perform the exercise, hold dumbbells or any weighted object with your palms facing each other in a hammer grip. Rest your forearms on your thighs or a bench while letting your wrists hang slightly off the edge. Slowly curl the weight upward using only your wrists, then lower it under control. The neutral grip creates extra tension through the forearms and helps build that thick upper forearm look. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps using controlled movement. One common mistake is moving the elbows or turning the exercise into a full curl. Keep the motion isolated to the wrists only. Slow reps and full range of motion are what make this exercise extremely effective for forearm growth.
Reverse wrist curls. Reverse wrist curls target the forearm extensors, the muscles on the top side of your forearms. Most people completely ignore these muscles, which leads to weak wrists and uneven-looking forearms. Training the extensors helps create balanced forearm development, while also improving wrist stability and endurance. To perform this exercise, sit down in the same position as regular wrist curls, but hold the weight with your palms facing downward. Let your wrists lower slowly toward the floor, then curl the weight upward using the top part of your forearms. Keep the movement slow and controlled without lifting your entire arm. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. One major mistake people make is rushing through the reps or using momentum, which removes tension from the extensors. Another mistake is using too much weight too early. Prioritize control and proper wrist movement to build stronger, fuller, and more balanced forearms with this exercise. Behind the back finger curls. Behind the back finger curls are one of the most underrated exercises for building thick lower forearms and crushing grip strength. This movement heavily targets the forearm flexors and finger muscles by keeping constant tension on your grip throughout the exercise. To perform it, stand upright while holding a barbell, dumbbells, or any weighted object behind your back with your palms facing backward. Slowly let the weight roll down toward your fingertips, then curl your fingers and wrists upward to grip the weight again. The full finger movement is what makes this exercise so effective. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps with controlled movement. A common mistake is using too much weight and shortening the range of motion. Another mistake is moving the shoulders or entire arms instead of focusing on the fingers and wrists. Slow reps, full extension, and strong squeezing tension are the keys to building dense vascular forearms with this exercise.
Wrist curls. Wrist curls are one of the best exercises for building overall forearm thickness because they directly target the forearm flexors, the muscles located on the underside of your forearms. These muscles are responsible for grip strength and dense-looking lower forearms. To perform wrist curls, sit down and rest your forearms on your thighs with your wrists hanging slightly off your knees. Hold a dumbbell, backpack, or weighted object with your palms facing upward. Let your wrists stretch downward fully, then curl the weight upward using only your wrists. The key is controlled movement and full range of motion. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps using lighter to moderate weight. A common mistake is lifting too heavy and moving the entire arm instead of isolating the wrists. Slow reps and constant tension are what build thick forearms over time. Focus on squeezing the forearms hard at the top of every repetition.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress. Drop a comment with your favorite shoulder move or what you want next.